friend of mine once said, I defied the odds, and I defied the gods. It's tremendous. It's his whole life in one sentence. Darren, you're all about the laughs. You're all about friendship. You're all about purity. You're all about things like that. You're a pure soul. And that's why I knew from day one that you couldn't hack it here. And then you blew my mind. You won the title. You went on to do bigger and better than I ever had. It's magical. Good for you. I sat in the shadows and I saw you succeeding, and that's just fine. Because I knew there'd come a day when you would lose. And I waited, and I waited, and I lusted for that moment when I knew you were going to lose. And you did, and it was delicious, and it was beautiful, and it was sensual, and I loved it. You want to know why? Because you gave up. But you got to come back. You got to be the black sheep, purified, white, and then you became the champion. Good for you. I've been here this whole time, Darren. I've been here this whole time, giving it my all. And come the dog collar match that you so ignorantly challenged me for, you're gonna choke. You're gonna cry. You're gonna bleed. And you're going to fall to pieces. Just like you did before. You're gonna become a forgotten memory, just like you did before. People will forget your name! Just like they did before. And I'll still be here. I'll still be fighting. I'll still be winning. Like I won tonight. Darren. Embrace the chainsaw. Embrace me.